Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the most budget-friendly ways to get 4K streaming, the Roku Streaming Stick Plus. Now Roku isn't just another option, it's actually the #1 streaming platform in the US, with over 90 million households and more than 145 million active users. So the question is, how well does this little stick hold up in 2025? Let's find out. Inside the box, the first thing you'll notice is a colourful sleeve that matches Roku's branding. If you flip it over, you'll see some quick steps printed on the back to get you streaming right away. Next up is the Roku Streaming Stick Plus itself, compact and very lightweight. You'll also find the remote along with a pair of AAA batteries already installed. Then there's the standard power cable, and finally a small piece of paper with product information. It's a clean, well-organised package that makes setup feel simple before you've even plugged it in. The Roku Streaming Stick Plus is designed to keep things simple, but it still delivers everything you need for 4K streaming. It can handle Ultra HD video at up to 60 frames per second, and it supports HDR10 for richer colours and brighter highlights. On the audio side, it offers Dolby encoded pass-through over HDMI, which means if you connect it to a compatible soundbar or receiver, you can still enjoy immersive audio, even though the stick itself doesn't process Dolby Atmos directly. For connectivity, it uses dual-band Wi-Fi 5, which works across both 2.4 and 5 GHz networks and gives you solid, reliable performance in most households. It plugs directly into your TV's HDMI port and runs off a small USB-C power cable, drawing around 2.5 watts when streaming in 4K. The device itself is compact and lightweight, so once it's tucked behind your TV, you'll probably forget it's even there. And if it doesn't quite fit into your HDMI port because of space, Roku will actually send you a free HDMI extender. You just request it through their website. The included Roku voice remote is straightforward, but does everything you need. It has built-in power and volume controls that work with most TVs, so you can ditch the extra remote. Voice search is built in too, which actually works well for finding shows quickly without typing. The layout is simple, and it even includes quick launch buttons for popular apps like Netflix, Disney+, Apple TV and Prime Video, although the exact buttons will vary depending on your location. What really makes Roku stand out is the operating system. Now the Roku OS is clean, simple and easy to navigate. All the major streaming apps are here. You've got Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, YouTube, Apple TV, and for viewers in the UK, you also get full support for BBC iPlayer, ITVX, Channel 4 and My5. Beyond the big names, Roku also includes over 200 free live TV channels covering news, weather, sports and entertainment. You also get regular automatic software updates, so this stick stays fresh with new features and security patches. The free Roku mobile app adds even more flexibility. You can use it as a second remote, plug in headphones for private listening, or cast videos and photos directly to your TV. And because of its slim, portable design, the Streaming Stick Plus is the perfect travel companion. Just pack it in your bag, plug it into a hotel TV, connect to Wi-Fi, and you've got your full streaming setup anywhere you go. One of the best parts about the Roku Streaming Stick Plus is how flexible it is with smart home setups. It works with Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, so you can stream directly from an iPhone or use Siri to control it. It also integrates with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, meaning you can launch apps or search content just by asking your smart speaker. Not every streaming device offers support across all of the big ecosystems, but Roku makes sure you're covered no matter which platform you prefer. That said, there are a couple of limitations worth knowing. Now, Roku devices don't support VPN apps natively, so you can't install a VPN directly on the stick itself. And unlike some other platforms, Roku also doesn't allow sideloading of third-party apps. What you see in the Roku's channel store is what you get. Setup is as easy as it gets. Plug into HDMI and power, connect to Wi-Fi and you're up and running. The interface feels smooth and apps load quickly. And when streaming 4K HDR content, picture quality is sharp, colours look great, and everything runs reliably. Now, a quick question for you. What's your current streaming setup? Are you using a Roku, a Fire Stick, unboxd, or maybe something else? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see what everyone is using right now. Okay, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the Roku Streaming Stick Plus is very affordable, usually around £39 or dollars, which makes it one of the cheapest ways to get true 4K HDR streaming. It's lightweight and portable and the perfect travel companion. Setup is straightforward, the interface is clean, and you also get those 200 plus free live TV channels included. And here's the big one. Roku isn't just a small player. With over 90 million households using Roku and more than 145 million active users worldwide, you're buying into a platform that's proven and widely supported. But of course, there are some downsides. The Roku Streaming Stick Plus doesn't support Dolby Vision or Dolby Atmos. So if you want the very best in video and audio formats, you'll need to step up to Roku's top model, the Roku Streaming Stick 4K, which is available for around $49.99 and does support both. The Plus also still runs on Wi-Fi 5 instead of Wi-Fi 6, so it's not quite as future-proof as some newer devices. And while the interface is simple to use, Roku has been quietly adding more ads in the menus, which can get a little distracting. If you want to go deeper into the streaming world with exclusive streaming tips, early updates, and private discussions, check out our members-only chat group. You'll get access as soon as you join the channel by clicking the Join button right below this video. So is the Roku Streaming Stick Plus worth it in 2025? If you want a budget-friendly way to stream in 4K that's reliable, easy to use and backed by the world's biggest streaming platform, then yes, this is still one of the best picks out there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more streaming reviews and breakdowns. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. The free Roku mobile app adds even more flexibility.